been doing this roughly after every 2 days. So this one is a 3-bedroom and this is the sitting room. By the way, I forgot to show you guys, it has like a waiting section here. Not bad. Then let's go to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This one. Not bad. And there's a pantry here. This is supposed to be the master's bedroom. This one is visitor's room. So you guys, this is the next one we went to. It's actually a new place. Ground floor. This one clean though. This one fits me well, but the money too much. So let's see. The sitting room is actually spacious, good for what we need it for. Then I think this is the bedroom. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. I don't think that's the master's. Which one is the master? Then, it's nice, but this thing, size is too much. Which one is the master's? I think this one is the master's. This is crazy. As soon as I entered my place, everywhere was flooded. Like there's water everywhere. So the pressure from my bathroom, I think the pressure from the supply affected it and it broke the, what's it called? The pipe. Let me take it very slowly. So, including my room, my bed, everywhere is soaked. I need to take this out now. I also need to take out my rug because I messed it up too. Then my bathroom, everywhere messed up. Okay, so thank you. The towels, so I can just put them in the washing machine.
These are the two buckets.
Right, have those two. So that's the restroom. You can flush it there. Okay. this is like a sitting room here. Then I think it's quite big. I think this is the master's. So this is another one. This
That's 11.8.
11 point. This one is actually spacious. It's really nice. Sitting room is okay. Let me show you. How many bed is this one? Okay. So the problem here now is this one is so this is another one. This is a bathroom. Not bad, but I don't like bathtubs. Hi. Okay, that's my agent. So we're at this place trying to look at. You say what's up? So I'm at this place trying to check out the apartment. I hope I like it, sharp. Let's go in. Hey, this is actually not bad, you guys.
Yeah, over here you have the smaller than the bedroom you just left, but the difference is that it comes with balcony. Imagine waking up in the morning and sipping your tea here.
Not be your late tea. They give vacation vibe. Let's see the bathroom now.
Open the bathroom for me.
Sorry. Let's see. So this is the kitchen, you guys. It's actually not bad. When they open person kitchen like this, not bad.
Also known as Madam's bed.
This is the second bedroom. I tell you, sir, they find madam now. Now, when you make money, you go find madam. You never reach. So this is the visitor's bathroom. So let me take you guys to the balcony. So there's a balcony. From here you can see whatever is going on. Space is not really bad. And this is the outside. That's the dining area. How many bedrooms is this?
You have two options. Coming furnished.
I don't want furnished.
It can be furniture can be removed as well. So the previous
This one is a 2-bed, but today this one. The rooms are okay. But so let's see why there's no light. Hey guys, good morning. How are you guys doing? So I just want to take a second look at this place again before any other thing. So yesterday I was really overwhelmed. Sorry about the echo, I'm actually on the staircase. So I was really overwhelmed and I wasn't able to make a lot of videos, but I'm here today. Let's do this. So to be honest, I think this is what I want to use as my room because I want like a plain wall because of my TV console. So, but I've not really decided yet. Let me take you guys to this part. And the natural light here is pretty amazing. So I am actually standing by the side. So this is the bathroom. I won't lie, this is small because by the time I put that thing here, I won't have more space. So, but I have to call Mr. Solomon to, take the measurement here, and then we're going to decide what will happen here. So this is this other room. So if I decide to use this for the studio, I won't really have space. I'm just taking you guys on a tour so you get to see what the place looks like. Then I think this one has the biggest bathroom. Should I use this one? Then this is the supposed master's bedroom. So it came with a shoe rack and everything, but I think I might be moving all these things to one of the rooms. So I just have my clothes in one room. It's not bad. This one has the same size of bathroom. So this is the sitting room, and this is where we're supposed to use for the studio. And from the look of things, the space is actually massive. I won't lie. So let me take you guys to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. Hold on. So you can see it's actually modern and it has all the space. So I'm going to keep my washing machine here. Then my fridge might just, I don't know, fridge might be here. So I really don't know what to do right now because my things are really much. And I wish this place did not come with this wardrobe. But I'm still trying to see how I can utilize this space. The most interesting part about this apartment is the roof, or rather the ceiling is really high. So, yeah. Well, let them move out the things in the room so I can now decide what I want to do with the space. For workspace. You guys, I just finished from here now, so but I think I'm going to understand the place very well when they've taken out all the properties in the apartment. Why they fear? So I am going back home. Don't mind my agents.
Keep it up with Lee.
Always disturbing me. You don't chop my money, oh. You don't mind it.
Keep it up with Lee.
Yes, I will talk to you guys later. Probably when I get back to my place. So let me go look forward to it. I'll talk to you guys. Bye bye. Hello everyone. So I wanted to update you guys, or rather take you guys on this my new journey, since these people have decided to render me homeless. But I can never be homeless in Jesus' name. Amen. So I want to start removing some of my things. So we're starting with the salon, and today we're going to be starting with the cameras, the speakers. I already spoke to the guy who did the signage. I spoke to Mr. Solomon. He's going to come help me uninstall the, what's it called, the mirrors. Then I spoke to the AC guy, so he's coming. But one person is going to come today, so we're going to do tomorrow and next tomorrow. Yeah, so we're starting with the cameras today, so let's go.
Sneakers on, getting ready for a flashback. Time keeps moving on, looking at you, feeling like I could never get enough of you, and I could never get enough of you. I could never get enough of you, and I could never get enough of you.
Where to start? I need someone to empty this heart. Any direction now would help.
Calling to let you know, can we do on Thursday? How early? Tell me so that I can plan myself. Like, so it's really crazy that I'm going to buy another speaker for 100k. So I can't even use one of it. I can't replace it. But now he is saying I can buy a new one. So new one is a set of two. Then we can now check from one of the ones that got burnt and then add it to it. It's crazy. Hi everyone, so I just got back from the salon and they're already uninstalling things. You know, we've been doing this roughly after every 2 days because these artisans, they have, you know, other projects to complete with their other clients. So Mr. Solomon came here while I was on my way out. So they have uninstalled, what's it called, the bathroom cabinet and everything. So they also removed everything in the YouTube studio and then dismantled my bed. So currently I won't be able to sleep here because one, this place is really hot, and two, I have flu. I think the dust and everything. So because it's really hot, that's why I left the windows open, and the fan was directly on me. So I think that was why I caught cold. So let me just show you guys around so you see how chaotic this place is. Just hold on. I need to turn the camera on. So this is my room. Taking out everything, so we're still going to take that out. Let me take you guys out to the side and then
You know, yeah, can also. You listen. Really, come on, if you can't, all you do that. Phone yẹn, lè fi 11, ẹ fi 11.
Okay, so this is my room. We're moving the bed. Then we're moving the wardrobe. We're also moving the TV console and the TV. Then this table, this chair, this cupboard, this, I have two of this. Then that wardrobe. So we're also moving this. Then over here to the salon, we're moving everything down to that and this couch. Hi, good day, guys. So today I want to go and see my landlord. He requested to see me today. So apparently, excuse me, I don't know what's wrong with me. So we're going to sign the contract today, but before I sign, I will send it to my lawyer first of all to review it, and then I sign. So that's the plan. So then I already have some people coming in today to remove the things. So probably when I'm away, they will be working. So, but when I come back, I'll definitely show you guys what the place looks like. Then the painter is already here. He's trying to fill up the part where we took out the speakers and the camera. So I need to hurry now. I'll see you guys later. So you guys, they have actually removed the signage and they covered it. Then the part where we had the camera, they already took it out. Then this is the speaker space. They took it out and they've already covered it. So I'm waiting on Mr. Solomon to come take out the mirrors and what else, that other thing. Then for the washer, that one has gone out already. They have even covered it. Then this camera side too. So like I'm pretty much ready to leave here. And I can't wait. ACs are out. Sorry. So this place is actually messed up. Oh, I can't wait to leave here. I need to lie. I can't wait. I can't wait. Good evening, everyone. So I have come to collect my key today. So I already got it. So I went to where they have the meter stand. So I was taking pictures of it. So now I'm back to the car and one of the guys is washing my car already. Like this is crazy. I just hope they keep up this energy. It's not like my previous place. They will all wash your car, they'll be waiting for it to dash their body. I think I'm picking body. So I want to go back to the hotel now. Yeah, so I didn't tell you, I've been living in a hotel. My place is dusty, I caught flu. The place is so hot, there's no AC, it's dusty. I just got tired and decided to check into a hotel. So I'll be doing everything from the hotel. So they said the guy, because I still saw some furniture there, they said the guy who used to live there has not moved out his things, so he's going to get a van tomorrow to move the things. So the guy told me to check back by 12 or 1 p.m. So I'm just going to call him by 1 or by 1:30 to confirm. So I want to do all the wiring work, breaking of the wall and everything, then paint before I move finally, because I don't want to get confused when I am installing those things. So I'd like to work with a clean slate. So yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Hi everyone, welcome back. So we're still in the process of moving. So today we're back here trying to take out some of the things. Let me take you guys out. What I'm talking about. So right here, we are trying to cover every holes on the wall, so that when I want to request for my what's it called, my caution fee, they will give it to me by force. So they also took out the lights here, and we've covered this one. So I'm just trying to organize some of the things there inside this bag and this other one. Yeah, so that's it. We've really done much. Oh. Yeah, so I will talk to you guys